Come with me to try a new cafe spot in town. Come on! So we're at Fred's. They say this cafe looks almost similar to Starbucks. But how does it taste? We got the Fred's coffee. This one's creamy but nothing impressive. 8 out of 10. Next, sea salt coffee. Come on, where's the sea salt flavor? Taste cheap? 5 out of 10. First impression, serving is a little bit small. Pesto chicken pasta. Ow. Pesto is a little bit bland. Chicken is also bland and dry. 6 out of 10. Garlic pepper beef. They use Japanese rice, that's good, but it's also bland. 6 out of 10. Lastly, Fred's Burger. Can you save the day? Ooh, I like the brioche bun. Ow. Very juicy burger. A little bit funky from the cheese they use, but lacks seasoning. 6.5 out of 10. Overall, below average based on the price. And comment down below what do you think about